Hi, I'm Keith Peters with the Palo Alto Weekly.
And I'm Ajale Harvey, junior from Eastside Prep.
Last week, Ajale played in 4 basketball games. Eastside Prep competed in the Diamond Division of the West Coast Jamboree. Eastside Prep won all 4 games. Ajale scored 82 points. She had 22 assists. She was named the most valuable player of the tournament in her division. She had 28 points in the championship game as Eastside Prep defeated undefeated Del Oro of Loomis 60-54 in overtime, and for that performance, Ajale is the Palo Alto Weekly Girls Athlete of the Week. Obviously, a big week for you guys. 4-0, you win the tournament. Was the championship game obviously your toughest game of the week? Definitely.
At first, I felt that we started a little slow. And frustration started to accumulate, but I felt after halftime we were able to pull ourselves together and keep our composure.
Now, last season, midway through the year, you had an ankle injury. It kept you out for quite some time. At the end of the season, you lost Felicia Anderson. She was off the team. You got back in time for CCS. How difficult was it for you? You guys got to the CCS semifinals and lost. Was that just a real tough year to deal with?
Definitely, especially with the injury and having to come back and not being able to play and coming back for that one game and losing by 1 point. It was a big loss, especially for our senior, who was a senior last year, Shayla.
The Eastside Prep girls basketball team has 7 players on its roster. That's it, 7. How difficult are practices?
They can be very difficult because we don't have players to go against, but at the same time, it just makes our mentality stronger. Makes us also think basketball, not just doing what you like, using what you know and learning from the game, not just going through and playing.
The Eastside Prep team is off to an 11-2 start, heading into league play next week. What is the outcome? What's the outlook for this year's team? You've got you got a freshman 6-footer, Hashima Carruthers, who's a great rebounder. You've got Takara Burris, Felicia Anderson's back on the team. You guys seem to be in real good shape. What's going to be the outlook for the rest of the year?
Well, this year, definitely, like all the other years, we want state, and we're pushing it even more, especially with our senior, Felicia Anderson. And also with the injury of Takar at this moment, we just have this whole new mentality to come out stronger, and a lot of people have new duties, and we plan to follow them.
Well, good luck the rest of the way. Congratulations.
Thank you.